Yeah.
Guess what? There's no floor.
Oh, it knows where we're going already.
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm doing well. We're getting busy.
Yeah. Just reading a little bit about the building.
Oh yeah, it's got such a cool history.
I didn't realize this was the world's busiest corner.
Never been in an elevator saw without an indicator. How about you, Jay?
It's a little unnerving at first, isn't it?
Yeah. You don't know what floor you're on.
No.
Until you get there.
Yeah, of course. Alright, so we are going to head straight back.
Okay.
Swing a left, but I'll lead. Here we go. Oh, we got one more up. We're just catching up.
Oh, okay.
One more
Just
up.
something, I got you.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
That makes sense.
And then I'll introduce you to our security director,
Okay.
Jonathan, who's up here, who can, whenever you guys are ready, to catch up.
Thank you,
Right. Yeah. So can we? Here. I'll move that.
Yes.
Yeah, come on in. Come on in.
There we go.
Oh, there's room for one more.
Stay off of the lobby, guys.
So I'm going to take a little bit of a detour, step off with some people, and then the rest of y'all can head right down to the lobby level.
Cool.
Sure.
Oops.
There it is.
It's we're here.
Excuse us, we gotta get this wheelchair out the
Yes,
back.
sir.
Let's just all get off.
We're hovering around the balcony.
Oh, this is a lot bigger than the other one.
Here we go. So yeah,
You said you work for the building owner?
I work for the property management.
Oh, okay.
So we've seen very slow increase
Yeah.
in people coming back.
You guys worried?
Huh?
You guys worried?
You know, we've been okay.
Yeah.
We've been pretty lucky. We've only had a couple tenants who have downsized, but they've stayed.
Yeah.
And then subleased the rest of the spaces, and it's been
Cool.
we've been doing pretty well.
How many buildings do you guys manage?
Oh, there's quite a bit.
Yeah.
For MB Real Estate, we've got properties all over the city, and then the suburbs, and
Oh, wow, okay.
New York and Atlanta.
Oh, wow, nice,
Yeah.
yeah.
Lobby.
We stay
Thanks
busy.
again. Thank you.
Yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of your day.